Hi, in this video I will show you how to make left-leaning and right-leaning increases called make one left and make one right. To make one left, insert your left needle from front to back under the strand between the two stitches. Then knit the picked up stitch through the back loop. You have now increased one stitch. I will add another stitch here. So insert the needle from front to back under the strand between the stitches. Knit the picked up stitch through the back loop. I will show you make one left a few more times. To make one right, you insert the left needle from back to front under the strand between the stitches. Then knit the picked up stitch. I will add another right-leaning increase here. So insert the needle from back to front under the strand and then knit this picked up stitch. I will show you make one right a few more times. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.